Oh, 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 holy shit! Whoa, man! Oh. Pensez comme ça, pensez comme ça. Que dalle. C'est fiche. Allez, je vais le relâcher. Vas-y. You guys, we're out here off the coast of Mag Bay with Mag Bay Sport Fishing Lodge in the Pacific Ocean. We're on a pinnacle about 40 miles offshore. Check out what I just caught on an NLBN jig head with a chunk of Pacific bonita. This is even bigger than the one I speared in California.
I cannot believe this fish just came up from the bottom.
I mean, it's not even real.
Expecting that.
Did you think you hooked that humpback we saw?
We have humpback whales all around us. Aubrey had just caught a yellowtail, and check out that.
Not going to jail, but I don't believe in a bar. You're gonna lie to me twice. I'm gonna beat this nigga's ass. Come on. You wanna see what I did the last one? I'm gonna show you. The last one that bit me, watch. I'm gonna turn it upside down. I'm gonna gut it. Come on, sunshine. I didn't do anything. Can I please? And then do what? Go to jail twice? What the? Dude, I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do anything. I didn't hurt anyone. I didn't do anything. No. You're not trying to figure out anything. You're doing more than your job. I'll beat that his ass, hold him upside down, and stick my finger in his ass and make him drown. The f out of that water! Oh my God, dude. This ain't my first.
I think it's better to not go any closer. But, oh yeah.
locked away in a living prison by her own husband. Yet she enters willingly, even eagerly, squeezing into this tree hollow that will become her cage for the next year. With meticulous care, she accepts fresh mud from her mate, sealing the entrance layer by layer until only a narrow slit remains, just wide enough to receive food. This drastic measure protects the precious eggs she's about to lay. Then comes an act of heartbreaking devotion. She plucks out her own feathers one by one, an agonizing process. Stripped bare, she uses them to line the nest, trading her own comfort for her future chick's warmth. But the true test is the isolation, a year confined in darkness, with only her mate's visits breaking the solitude. Outside, the male works tirelessly. His mission, keep his imprisoned wife alive. He delivers food daily, but she's fiercely picky, rejecting anything subpar. Lesser males might abandon such a demanding partner, but not this devoted father-to-be. He hunts relentlessly, offering fruits and protein-rich insects until she accepts. Balance is critical. Her strength ensures their offspring's survival. After months of shared effort, 2 eggs finally arrive. Now the real marathon begins. As the female incubates, the male's workload triples, feeding her and eventually their hatchlings through that narrow slit. Only after 4 weeks does the mother break free, chiseling open the mud wall to reunite with her mate and raise their chicks together. Their bond begins with an extraordinary courtship ritual. At a bat roost, the male catches every bat, not to eat, but to gift to his potential mate. This offering ceremony proves his dedication and hunting prowess.